Hey everyone, Alex here from Land Tutorials and welcome to a new video. Today I'll show you how to transform boring footage into the most epic B-roll. I shot a video 3 years ago with my grandmother cooking, and it is about 10 minutes long and it's really boring. So let's transform this video into an epic B-roll sequence. I have here a clip about 7 minutes long and it's too long. First step is to search the part that you want. Here you can use the cut shortcut and also the ripple delete. I cut it all of the part. Now from 7 minutes I have a 1 minute edit. Because most of the shots are unstable, I will put a warp stabilizer on them. Until the warp stabilizer do its thing, I'm searching for some music. I'm searching for some hard music, some rock. I find the right music, and to find a beat, you can play the music and you can place markers. In the fast part of your music, you should make fast cut edit, and in the slowest, the opposite. Time remap the footage that has the warp stabilizer effect. You should nest it because the warp stabilizer don't like the time remap. If your music is too long, you can cut the last part, the end. Here's the B-roll. And now we are ready. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.